Hey guys, and welcome back to our next part of Ratchet Clank. Oh, for one.
Woohoo!
Oh shoot, what? You saved me. Anyways,
I don't know if you guys can see this, but we all have new skins.
Oh yeah, you can see, well, in the comment, in the description you can see who's playing who. And yeah.
Can you explain what our skins are for those of us, the people who know what they are?
If you feel like explaining, sure.
Okay, so my skin, it doesn't look
what?
too... No. Cutscene.
Oh yeah, so we just entered the village, I guess.
Yeah.
Yay!
Wait, how do we switch weapons again? Yeah.
Right stick.
Oh no, right stick.
Oh, is it?
It's so weird.
Wait, how do we use our
specials?
specials?
What's special?
Like the zombie blaster.
Oh, you gotta jump? Oops.
Okay.
I'm coming!
Okay, so, off camera, we accidentally got our specials.
Oh yeah, we each unlocked a special move right here
Yeah.
by accident.
Okay, wait, we might unlock them again. No.
Oh, current bolts.
Oh, okay, upgrading.
How much bolts do I?
Oh, do we have the
Arc Flasher. Doppelganger.
Okay, so I have 6,000.
So how come I can't go up and down?
How do I... Okay, square. Guys, just go to your special weapon and press...
Yeah, see, look.
And we'll all press... Or not all at the same time,
Alright,
but
that's
just...
fine.
Whoever
Okay,
wants to,
stop.
press square.
Where is it?
Oh yeah, you gotta buy it.
Go back. It should be the last height.
Oh.
That one. That's yours. Right there.
This device.
Got
Wait,
it.
press square, press
No,
square.
No, it's
Clank.
a club. It's a club. Okay,
Square doesn't play the video. It just gives you an info.
I know, but let everybody just go to it for a second.
And press square, Maddie.
Alright, you can pause the video here and see what it is.
Okay.
And now we buy it. Cha-ching.
I already bought mine.
Alright, everybody ready?
Wait, I wanna. Okay.
I'm ready.
Ooh, the Warmonger. We get the Warmonger next.
Triangle guys.
Guys, boys.
Guys.
For those of if you don't know what the Warmonger is, we're not gonna say anything. I'll just tell you it's awesome.
Is it the
It's the giant.
is it his level 1?
No.
It's the up triangle.
Oh, this clothes
The negotiator.
is amazing.
What, Maddie?
The clothes.
Let me go to my quantity. Oh, I only have 4. Like ammo.
Yeah, now
Ow,
What the
Oh.
heck?
Guys, what is this?
I
I'm
got
guessing
one
we
health.
have to shoot it. How do you shoot it? Circle.
Oh,
R1.
Oh,
Circle, you idiot. Let go of me.
no, I'm gonna shoot that.
nope. I
Hmm.
guess you.
Kill.
Oh! Drink. No.
Maybe this thing.
Jamil, how are you almost dead already?
I don't know. I stepped in the fire.
Grenade?
Wait,
Does
no, I
anybody
have a doppelganger.
like have a move that I don't know?
Maybe it's mine. But I have 0 on it now.
It's,
Hmm.
What?
I'm just gonna.
Wait, how do you throw the
Nope, nothing.
how do you throw
Never mind.
how do you throw the
I
boomerang
don't
thing
know.
again?
It's Arctic Square.
R2 square. Yeah, that's how you.
Oh, there you go.
And in my
You just
case, I
see-
throw my wrench.
Oh wait,
Let me
I
just
guys,
see
I think
one
I found the way.
Alright, let's go.
No, you didn't. Oh, maybe you did.
Let's go. Oh,
I did.
wow. That was
Yay!
sad.
Shorty found us a way. So yeah, I was gonna say earlier,
Ooh,
my costume is from the game Quest for Booty. It's a side game.
really? That's
Yeah.
where your costume's from.
Yeah, I looked it up. I think, yeah, Alex's costume is Secret Agent Clank from the game of the same name on PSP.
Yes.
It's hella fun. I have it. It's awesome. Although you're way shorter than normal.
Did I always say that?
I didn't sign up for this.
We must save Susie from the
I
Anyways.
didn't sign up for this. Meet up with Susie. I didn't even know her name until now. It was just like that alien girl.
Wait, so keep going, Jamil.
Keep
Yeah.
going with the lore.
Wait, guys, wait,
Andre's costume is called Nurse Shannon.
Nurse Shannon.
It
It's
might be-
from the Ratchet Clank Future games, and it's
Oh, what?
it's a
Oh.
costume that you wore.
Nice, Maddie.
How do I do that again?
Oh,
Triangle.
somebody.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Alright. See you guys later. No, don't do it! Okay.
Lol.
Good job, Maddie.
Oh, I know what to do.
What?
Suck them up.
Oh, yeah.
Someone get in mine. Okay, ready, buddy?
Doink.
Fail, Jamil.
Run, 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 run. Aw.
We need him to move on, dude.
Yeah, you kind of need me to be alive.
Let's roll.
Let me get to his.
Let's roll.
I don't know what Maddie's costume's from, but it looks cool.
No, I think Maddie's stayed the same.
No,
Okay, but yeah, I didn't finish talking about
No,
Hunter.
Oh shoot, these things are gonna break off.
Alright.
So the Nurse
Oh,
Shannon costume
yeah.
was, I think it was like a disguise he wore when he was trying to infiltrate Dr. Nefarious' space shuttle.
Nice.
That's the buzzblade thing
So there
again.
you go, Ratchet and Clank lore.
The more you know.
The more you know.
Come on. Stuff to kill stuff with.
yeah, why not?
Stuff to kill stuff.
Oh god.
No, don't. Well, okay. Whoops. Whoop. Oh.
Okay, guys. Shoot those things. Make sure they don't blow up.
And he could suck this in.
No.
What things?
Ooh, what's this?
Bolts. Oh, it's,
Haha. See
Oh,
you next
yeah,
fall.
oh yeah, I'll pull it back to get the things open.
Make sure we look for the hero bolts.
believe this situation calls.
Maddie, get in.
Hop in.
Oh, never mind.
Let's do it.
Jamil. Suck me in. Never mind.
Oh!
Kill them, kill them, kill them.
Oh, that was...
Kill the purple things, remember, they'll blow
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Kill the purple things.
Oh god.
Nice.
Dude, use your blaster. Andre.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, he took it away. He took it away.
What did he take?
Like a piece and now it's falling.
Yeah. I died.
Oh, I just got a bunch of bolts. Oh! Blob Lobber.
Lobber.
Is that from a previous game, you know?
No, there was something like it though. Called the Gelinator.
That's interesting.
And you used it, it was in Tools of Destruction and Cracking Time in future games.
Oh, what the heck?
And you used it to create blobs
Sweet.
with goop.
Oh, that's what that's for.
That's what it's for.
How come I don't have it?
R1's to cycle. These are like utility weapons.
Wait,
so-
I can't move.
Yeah, it's because everybody accessed the menu at the same time. The game pauses.
Oh, it's like a thing now we have forever, right?
Wait, how did you guys access that?
Right stick.
Use the right stick and press R1.
Oh, I get it. We like wait down.
Oh, okay.
Do we have unlimited shots with this thing? Oh, no.
Look at me. Whee! Maddie.
Maddie.
Maddie, get over here.
I could show you the
No.
world.
You're not gonna show me anything.
Maddie, it's when when it's carrying us, it's that.
Do we shoot that thing? Yes, we do.
Fine.
By the what the heck
Sorry.
just happened? Jamil.
I'm just gonna.
We're just gonna.
Oh, no!
Oh, that's not fair. It spawned me on a falling block. This game sucks.
Don't do this.
I'm firing at it. I need help.
With the power of friendship, Andre.
Power worship.
No, I died again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Power of friendship. Power of
I
friendship
think
is
he's-
I.
Oh no, he's not dead.
Power of friendship.
I was like, he's not dead. What?
Oh,
shit.
what? He's not dead again.
It's a semi-boss battle.
It's a mini boss,
Yeah.
not a semi boss.
Aww.
Oh, Andre, get in.
No, you get it. Okay, fine.
Much skill.
Oh, we gotta get those lobbers out.
Shot not.
Shot now. These things are awesome. Honestly, I wonder how the developers come up with these weapons. They must have a lot of fun doing it.
No! Oh,
Okay.
I jumped off.
Fine.
Damn.
Genius.
Ooh, there's a
Oh.
thing over
Get
there.
in, Jamil.
Oh, I thought I could make that jump.
Oh, you guys have to suck that in.
I got it.
Oh,
I
you
got
got
it.
it.
I got it.
Gimme. Oh, you have it. Oh, now you gotta shoot it now,
Alex.
Alex.
Shoot it at the thing.
Oh, shoot it towards Dr. Nefarious, so Maddie.
Oh wait, I can shoot it. Oh what? It's gone.
Fire away.
Okay, ready?
Oh no!
Oh. Pick it up.
I got it.
Pick it up.
Hell yeah!
I love how his eyes like bug out.
Oh shoot.
Critter.
No. Yes.
Oh.
That Wait.
I have a bad feeling about
I have a
this.
feeling we're supposed to shoot that, but oh what the? What?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Oh, what? Never mind.
Oh good, it put us in a battle zone.
So, yeah, okay. So
Rattle
we were
their
on
faces.
It appears.
What, Patty?
Power Fidget.
Oh no, I have it stuck at the.
Okay, guys.
Ow! No, don't die, Ratchet, don't die, don't die.
Power of friendship.
Jimmy, help me on this one.
No!
Oh, nice one, Patty.
Damn it!
Oh, I'm dead.
I got you,
Somebody-
Andre.
Someone heal me!
Ooh, Clank got a skill point.
Oh, I did.
Buster Apprentice. I don't know what skill points mean. Yeah.
I think you can use when you unlock them.
Now, oh no.
Boom. Oh, he's not dead yet.
Where are you going?
Maybe that's why they gave us ammo before this.
A what?
I said, why did they give us ammo before this? Maybe
yeah.
this is why. I want to use my special.
Wait, before we go that way, guys.
Oh,
Bonus
bonus bolts!
Let's see. Who is the noob? Oh.
Yay! Oh wait, we haven't been collecting creatures, guys.
I have.
Oh.
Well, okay, I guess I'm the noob. Oh, it's top. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I win. Again. That's fucking
Gorgeous.
Bolt Master. I know I got noob because I died a lot.
Noob.
Shut up! I kept jumping off the edge and spawning on falling blocks.
Can't press X.
You can't press sex.
Wait, guys, go back. Before we go that way.
Okay. Alex took
We
the
will
first
not
critter.
hurt you, little
Oh wait, there's another one.
Let's
Let's go get it.
do this.
Come here! Come here, you sack of shit.
No, I don't think there was anything over
Yeah, there was. There's the thing we had to shoot.
there. Oh, okay.
Come on, you fools!
Oh, like the
No, we
balloon
can't.
thing?
We can't.
Yeah, we already passed it.
Aw.
Solid.
That thing gives everyone free vote back.
How do you know?
Because I shot one of in one of our other videos.
Just what the
Ooh.
dedicated orders.
Oh yay! Here, ball.
Hero bolts. Alright.
Wait,
Combustion.
how come I didn't get mine?
Just suck it.
Oh, I.
You have to suck it. We just keep jumping. Glob blubber. Mashing that R1. Like it's my job. Give me that critter.
Critter.
I'm just
Eh,
waiting.
eh,
Eh, eh. Oh my god, I have a feeling. Oh,
My
critter.
Critter.
We do not wish to fight.
No, 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 no! Aw, fuck me.
Wait, I'm just gonna stay over here. Maddie, come
Maddie,
over.
go over there.
Tax return.
There's something.
I'm Cooney.
Oh, sweet.
What's this?
Everybody press triangle.
Oh, it's the minigame thingy.
Is it?
I died.
Ooh, false.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
It's a secret lab.
It is secret lab.
Welcome to Weapons Lab Alpha. Are you ready to begin?
No.
I'm
Oh, we
ready.
need the glob lovers.
Okay.
Just keep firing it at it. What else is
Now
there?
there's something down there.
Wait.
Oh, wait. I'll keep firing at it. Somebody has to.
Wait, can I have view over here?
Oh no.
Jamil,
Can I have view over here, please?
Okay.
Oh, there you go. There you go. You shooting?
No harm done. Let's
Oh,
try
shoot.
this
What
one
happened?
for power.
Oh,
It died, I think.
yeah.
Aww.
Okay, shoot it.
Doink.
Wait, don't move too far. Move to the left. Move, go to the left.
Alex.
I guess I sucked it up last time.
You killed it.
That was unfortunate.
Okay, Andre, you can stop.
Wait.
Jamil, why did you jump?
No harm done.
I'm sorry. Oh, you had to get in my suck cannon.
A bit more to
Yeah.
Because I thought I was supposed to shoot myself over.
No.
Hey, look, it's Jamil's face.
I didn't friggin' know.
hop in.
Someone go to that side and just suck.
Just keep sucking. Just keep.
Hop in.
Hurry! Okay, there you go.
Let's do this.
Really?
Go, 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 go! Continue, hurry up!
You gotta let go.
I'm dying.
Go, Andre.
Because you guys are.
I can't.
Oh, I have
jump
to tether.
Jamil.
Go cross, hurry! Go, 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 go! Shoot me! Shoot me! No!
Right.
Oh, I made it across! What the hell, Andre? You suck!
Stop it!
My aiming is amazing.
Press triangle! Oh, you suck!
I just kept pressing circle.
Yeah, you're an idiot.
I didn't know you had to aim in this game.
Fucking idiot.
I am here.
Andre,
Really?
you deserve a medal.
Alex, that's fine.
Oh, I didn't know I had to
It's
aim
right.
my gun.
Just to engage.
The DVD.
There's no aim button. There's just move and shoot.
Jamil, let's come on. Jamil, shoot me.
Can we talk about
Alright, shoot him over. Hurry up.
Oh,
Oh, never mind. You don't need to.
Oh my god.
Someone suck it, please. Go up.
Oh, the innuendo.
Okay,
I'm in.
it ain't gonna suck itself. Glob lobber, glob lobber, glob lobber. Go. Shut up, Andre.
God stoppers. Yay!
Finally. Oh, there we go.
Just
Mecha
completed another try. Bravo, volunteers. You have much to be proud of. I am here.
Fear me not, little woodland creature.
Threat eliminated.
Let's do this.
There is nanotech over here. Yes!
You, enemy. You look like you could use a good vanquishing.
Susie?
Ooh, mine.
Deploying. I believe this. I am here. I caught one. Uh-oh. I am out of ammo. Hop in.
Free money. A politician's favorite word. I got ammo.
Take down your arms, for I am your master. Susie, are you out here? I am here. We will not hurt you, little creature.
Rest easy, my furry friend. I'll take good care of you.
Trust me.
Nice. More ammo.
This will come in handy.
Why are we out here looking for some pint-sized squishy? We should be...
Let's do do this.